Hello, my dear students. How are you? And as you know, we have started our chapter number 10, our neighboring countries, and we have finished with Pakistan, China, and Nepal. In this video, we will deal with Bangladesh and Bhutan. So let us start with Bangladesh, officially called as People's Republic of Bangladesh. The country is surrounded by India, Myanmar, and the Bay of Bengal. Now, physical features of Bangladesh. The country is mostly formed in the delta region comprising of three rivers, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, and the Meghna. In the map, you can see Ganga coming from Indian side, Brahmaputra again from Indian side, Khasi Hills, and then Meghna river is over there in that country only. Now, three of them join each other and they made the world's largest delta in Bangladesh and some part in India. They are the Sundarban deltas. The land terrain is flat with a few mountain ranges. The delta region is made up of rich alluvial soil deposited by the rivers and is extremely fertile. The large part of the area consists of marshy or swampy lands with diverse forest region like the Sundarban forests. Now the history linked to India. Before 1947, Bangladesh was part of India. In 1947, when India became independent, the country of Pakistan was formed, consisting of East Pakistan and West Pakistan. In 1971, East Pakistan became an independent country with the help of India and was called as Bangladesh. Point of contact: India and Bangladesh shares one of the longest borders in the world. The Indian states of Assam, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, and West Bengal touch the borders of Bangladesh. Now the capital city of Bangladesh is Dhaka, and other important cities are Chittagong and Khulna. Currency is Taka, and official language of Bangladesh is Bangla. Now let us deal with Bhutan, officially called the Kingdom of Bhutan. The country lies in the eastern Himalayas. It is bordered in north by China and on all other sides by India. Now the physical features of Bhutan. It is located in the heart of high Himalayan mountain range and is a landlocked country. Now what is a landlocked country? We have discussed already in Nepal that what are the landlocked countries. It has high mountains, fertile valleys, and thick forests. Dense forests are found in higher altitudes in mountains. The country has tropical vegetation, sal forest, and tropical evergreen forests. Sal is a tree, and the forest of sal are known as sal forest. Tropical vegetation, that the type of vegetation which is found over here is tropical, because our earth is divided into three main regions. They are the tropical region, temperate region, and frigid region. The vegetation which is found over here is tropical type, and because of the heavy rainfall, the forests are evergreen. Now the history linked to India. The country mainly follows the religion of Buddhism, which was spread from India many centuries ago. Now point of contact: the Kingdom of Bhutan shares its border with Indian states of Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Assam, and West Bengal. The capital city of Bhutan is Thimphu, And the other important cities are Jharkhand, Phuentsholing, Paro. Currency is Gultrum and official language is Zonkha. Moreover, while discussing these countries, for example, in our countries, GDP is over there, gross domestic product is over there, but in Bhutan, GNA is there, gross national happiness. This country has free healthcare facilities and nobody lives on streets. This country was closed for tourism from 1974, but recently they have opened their borders for tourists. Bhutanese people required to wear their traditional dress, as you can see in the picture also. The males have to wear go, the name of their dress, and the females have to wear kira, the name of their dress. Moreover, there is ban on tobacco in this country, and this is the only country which is having carbon negative index. 60% of the country is covered with forest, and moreover, all property of the family goes to elder daughter. It is illegal of using any kind of chemicals on farming or in agriculture, and nobody from other country is allowed to marry the ladies of Bhutan. So with this, we have finished with our Bangladesh and Bhutan. In our next video, we will deal with Myanmar and Sri Lanka.